Hey there, you've seen tons of short video challenges online, right? But now it's time for you to start your own challenge and show the world what you can do. A lot of people say things like, I don't have time to make short videos, writing scripts, recording voiceovers, and editing takes forever. And even after all that, the video might not turn out great. Some even get stuck on voiceovers or editing and never get started at all. But today, that's going to change. After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to create amazing short videos in just minutes. Without worrying about complicated steps, you can create videos in any niche you want, and it'll be quicker than you think. Stick around until the end of the video, where I'll share a powerful tip on how to use the AI video generator website without limits. So stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to make high-quality, professional-looking short videos that people will love to watch. So, without wasting time, let's start the tutorial journey. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Hypernatural AI. Click on the first website, sign up, and create your new account with your Gmail. Now there are many options. If you have own script, then you can click on the animate a script. But now I don't have any script, so I will click on start with idea. Here, paste any idea of your video, like old history videos, horror videos, or any other you want. I want to create video on deep facts of blue whale. So I will just type it here. Click on Generate Ideas. Here you will see the 3 ideas that are suggested by Hypernatural AI. You can choose any one of these ideas. I will go with first one. Now this is a free website, so you can generate only videos under 60 seconds. This script is longer, so let's make it shorter. Just follow my steps.
Write, summarize the script, and make this script duration less than a minute. Paste script.
Now copy the script. Paste this whole script here. Now it is showing 30 seconds duration. It's enough for short videos. Click on Continue button. Select YouTube Shorts from here. Now there are many video styles, but I will suggest you the photographic style because it creates realistic images. There are many subtitle styles. No need to choose any of these because we will generate subtitles from CapCut. If you want to animate first scene, then you can click on First Scene button. It will charge 10 coins. Then click on Generate Video. Now wait 1 minute. Your video is created, but the voiceover is not perfect. So to make perfect voiceover, remove all the captions from the video and download this video. After downloading this video, open CapCut and import video there. Now you see the watermark here. To remove this watermark, just zoom your video and boom, the watermark is hidden. Now for creating voice over, copy half the script you generate from ChatGPT. Then add text on CapCut. Click on Text to Speech. Here you will see many voiceovers including free and paid. For this video, I will choose Dave voiceovers because it's heavy and interesting.
Now copy the other half script.
After generating the voiceovers, adjust your video according to the voiceover. You can slow and fast the video speed to adjust it. Now, the video looks so simple, so well generated, high quality captions. To generate caption, click on Caption button and choose the style you want to generate caption. Now your video is ready to go viral on social media. Alright, now that you've seen how easy this is, what's stopping you? Don't wait around. Start your short video journey today. You've got everything you need to create something amazing. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Let's do this.